Something strange is happening on YouTube Shorts and TikTok right now. Simple construction time-lapse videos are pulling in millions of views. No talking, no face, no complicated editing. Just a piece of empty land, slowly transforming into a fully built home. And for some reason, people can't stop watching. But here's the problem. Until now, creating videos like this wasn't simple. You would need real construction footage, or advanced animation tools, complex 3D software, and hours, sometimes days, of editing. For most people, that makes this kind of content almost impossible to create. But now, there's a simpler way. Introducing ViraBuild AI, a new AI platform designed to automatically generate construction time-lapse video flows for you. Instead of filming or building everything manually, you simply choose a building type and let the AI create the full progression for you. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose the type of building you want. Step 2. Click Generate. And Step 3. Your complete construction video flow is ready. That's it. Behind the scenes, the AI handles everything, from the construction progression to the scene structure to the full cinematic flow. No editing, no complicated setup, just a simple way to create engaging videos in seconds. With ViraBuild AI, you can instantly generate new construction video ideas, create full step-by-step building progressions, produce smooth, cinematic video flows, and generate content ready for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. All inside one simple, easy-to-use dashboard. These videos work for a simple reason. People want to see the final result. They start watching, and once the building begins to take shape, they stay until it's complete. That's what keeps viewers engaged, and why this type of content consistently performs so well across platforms like Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. You can use this in different ways. Create faceless content for your own channels. Grow your presence on Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. Generate videos consistently without extra effort. Or even create videos for clients who need content. Right now, during this special launch, you can access ViraBuild AI for a simple one-time payment. No monthly fees, no ongoing costs, no complicated setup, just instant access. So you can start creating construction time-lapse videos right away. And to make this an easy decision, your purchase is protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can try ViraBuild AI for yourself, completely risk-free. Now it's your turn. Click the button below, get access to ViraBuild AI, and start creating your own construction time-lapse videos today.